Good afternoon. It is March the 9th, 2017. Time to wrap up another day of trading and take a look at tomorrow's markets with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are being designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. What a day! The E-mini actually sold and the trading became easier. We have this same problem. When the E-mini is not selling, nothing happens. And then when it does sell, it happens pretty quickly, and then we get the nice little rebound out of it. So I think up until this point, we had 10 points on 4 trades. That's not bad. It's $500. But little head and shoulders, or you take these two S's plus, take that B or that by B plus. So the E-mini actually looked reasonably good today. Right now, looks like we're going to close at 2360. Ready for tomorrow's non-farm payroll numbers. And they're looking for a build. They revised it from 195 to plus 200,000 tomorrow. So they've already revised the numbers upward a little bit. On the F1 screen on the E-mini, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Looking at the distribution today. Now this thing broke on either Mnuchin's or Schweitzer's comments about banking sector and Glass-Steagall coming back, and then Mnuchin said there's going to take a lot of doing with the debt ceiling to get around that. So that's where we are right now. That's what caused the sell-off. It was caused by news. We thought we would get stops below 2350. Has not happened yet. There's the low volume number right there at 2350 and a quarter. So tomorrow's a news day trade. It's pretty simple. You know the news, you have the trade, and that's all there is to it. Now, without news, we'd be selling 59s to 61s. Sound familiar? 64, 66. On the buy side, we'd be buying 50, 52, and 45, 47. But we do have news tomorrow, and that'll change things. Non-farm payrolls plus 200. Unemployment 4.7. Earnings plus 0.3. Work week 34.4. And Baker Hughes rig count last week 1,091. Probably stable right here. Don't know if it'll build or not. News focus, non-farm payroll numbers, and unemployment, and that can cause the whipsaw. Okay, looking at the 10-year and the 30-year, they both made new lows. We haven't been this low in over a year. That does not bode well for tomorrow. There's a 100% probability that the Fed raises interest rates on next Wednesday. Lower high, lower low on the F1 screen. Find a place to sell it. And here's the auction. But the Glass-Steagall and then the debt ceiling news, those two pieces of news also. That wasn't a good auction. We saw that with the coverage. So selling into the auction or post the auction was the trade to take, or any signal that you got. Tomorrow's a news day trade. You know the news, you have the trade. So right now we would be selling 27s to 31s, 3 to 7. On the buy side, 20 to 24. and 13 to 17. What makes the 10-year come off slower than the 30-year? The knob spread. Looking at the 30-year, 47.04. That's a pretty strong break in the market. So right now we have the buck to 04, and we're currently at 28. So the buck to 04 is number one. 7 to 11. Sell one. 15 to 19. Sell two. Okay, now what turns this market upside down is no interest rate increase, or would be an interest rate cut next week. What would cause a huge relief rally would be no interest rate increase, but they haven't said that they're not going to raise it in the future. So we'll have to be cognizant of that come next Wednesday. Buy one, 13 to 17. Buy two, 1 to 5. Looking at gold. Lower high, lower low, stops below 1200. That's our play. If we bust that, we'll be trading for 1175. We'll roll from the 1200 puts to the 1175 puts, if you're so inclined. Know the news, you have the trade. It will react too. So 4 to 6. Sell one. 9 to 11. Sell two. 99 to 01. Buy one. 95, 97. Buy two. But most of the move will take place probably in the first 5 minutes post the news. Crude oil got hit pretty hard today. Lower high, lower low, potential move out of the middle. So here we are, 49.75.50, sell one. Quarter to 50, sell two. Long as we stay below 50 even, the market can sell. We'll look for articles out of OPEC over the weekend about extending the production cuts past June. Okay, 49 even, 49 and a quarter, buy one. 49, 48.50, 48.75, buy two. We went from 52.80 plus, it was 88 to 48.60 in 2 days. $4, so we should have some. A pause right now. And this is a perfect example of why you cannot trade without stops these days. If you were a beginner and you got started trading and you didn't have stop protection and you didn't want to take that big a loss and you're long in the high 52s That's a significant loss. That's catastrophic. And it would take you many moons to overcome a $4,000 loss. Markets are much more violent and move much faster these days, and you just take your lumps and keep your losses manageable. Start the game all over. Okay, Draghi alluded to the fact that the extraordinary measures and stuff were behind the European Central Bank, and that was taken that interest rates aren't going to go any lower, and perhaps they might start raising them. So, relative to the dollar, the market traded up off of those comments. Outside day um, usually yields a trading range. So, looking at the F2 screen. Okay, tomorrow, if you did not trade June in the E-mini, you must trade it tomorrow. Okay, 106 even, sell one. We could go as high as 106.50, so 615, 625, sell two. On the buy side, 575, buy one. I think we're going to see a good number tomorrow, so the non-farm payroll would have me favoring the short side coming into tomorrow, especially in London overnight. Buy two, 105.50. And that does it for this March the 9th. I'll see you all bright and early in the morning. Hope to have another good day of trading tomorrow. We should. We usually do. I'm out of here.